I'm Stuart, I'm the Marketing Manager for OMRON in the UK, and today we're going to talk about intelligent machine design. Actually, intelligent machine design is the ability to use smart technologies to future-proof your machine. Things like advanced communication protocols such as IO-Link, embedded diagnostics and modular components enables manufacturers to really get the most out of their new machinery. The first benefit of intelligent machine design is much more simplified maintenance. By having modular components, we can swap stuff out much more easily, and by having advanced diagnostics, we can identify problems before they occur. The second benefit of intelligent machine design is reduced repair times. We have the sustainability and the cost benefits of not having to fly engineers all over the world to fix problems, but actually that time to repair helps us to make sure we're maximising our production time. And the final benefit of intelligent machine design is that ability to actually identify the problem. Often one of the most time-consuming tasks in any maintenance activity is actually identifying what the problem is. By having the right intelligent machine components, we can quickly identify the problem, resolve it, and get back to full production. So, by implementing intelligent machine design, you can simplify your maintenance processes, you can massively reduce the time it costs to repair faults, and you can get a much faster identification of what the problem actually is. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel below.